Hi everyone, it's Gregor here again, and in this session I'm going to be talking about and showing you StreamYard. So StreamYard is a live streaming studio where users can share screens, interview guests, engage and discuss just about anything. It's a great way to grow followers and audiences right away. You can stream directly on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch and other platforms easily. So let's go ahead and take a look at StreamYard and let's get familiar with it. Okay, so I'm just going to browse to StreamYard.com. I'm going to remove this existing broadcast so I can give you a good overview of everything that I'm going to do. So here we are in StreamYard. Let's go ahead and click Create a Broadcast. So here you have two options. One is to add a destination. Let's take a look at that first. So here you can broadcast live to Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Periscope, which is Twitter, Twitch or an RTMP server. I'm not going to do that though. What I want to do is record a video that I can edit later on and put up on YouTube myself. So I'm going to choose the second option, which is skip record only. So I have to give my broadcast a title, so let's just call it demo. Let's go ahead and create it. I'm going to click start cam. I'm going to mute it so it doesn't go all funky with the sound. And you can see me, so hello everyone. You have to give yourself a display name. And then click Enter Broadcast Studio. Okay, so a couple of things first. It says here you're not part of the stream yet. Click to add your audio and video. So if I want to add myself to the stream, I can do that. I'm still on mute, which is good. I can stop my camera at any time. Start my camera, I can change the settings on my microphone, I can share my screen, I can invite users. So if I want to invite a user, just click invite. I get this nice copy to clipboard. So imagine I'm inviting you from Twitter. I can just copy that, stick it on Twitter, and you can grab that link and be invited straight into the broadcast. And I can also leave the studio. So we'll come back to this area in a second. But first of all, let's take a look at comments. So if I'm streaming live via StreamYard just now, I can see the comments from people coming in. I can read all the comments here from the people. I can customize it as well. So if I go into banners, it gives you three nice example banners. So let's click on them. I can show a banner like that. So that's an example of a banner. I think this one's very similar. Yep. It's just slightly different text. And they give you an example ticker banner. So you can have a ticker going along the screen at the bottom. Right, so let's now look at brand. So that's banners. Let's now take a look at brand. So brand is basically how you change the look and feel, of your brand within StreamYard. So if I do, like you can see how this is, I change this to default, it goes to red, minimal, it kind of does it black and red, you can change it to bubble, or I can have a block, just by changing these here. I usually go for minimal. If I want to change it from black and red, I can change the colour. So let's just go for green, for example. Go to 26 colour. There we go, it's now green. Change it back to default. Bubble, block. So you get the idea. So let's just go back to minimal for the time being. Okay, if I want to have some logos now, so I can do the StreamYard logo, which you get out of the box, powered by StreamYard. You turn that on and off, just like that. If I want my Azure Greg brand, there we go. I can add a logo, so I just need to upload a logo. And it gives you recommended sizes. So it says try using a PNG or a GIF with a recommended size of 200 by 200. If I want an overlay, so sometimes you see some overlays pop up in videos, I can have one. That's the StreamYard one, so I'm live with StreamYard. And I can turn that off. I can click on mine, which is GregorSuttie.com. Totally customizable. I use an application called Canva to create these. So you can basically create your own images and you can have them appear anywhere you want on the screen. Let's take that off. I've got a logo as well, Azure Greg logo. You also have some sort of video countdown. So imagine you're going live within 30 seconds. You can click on this and it'll play music. You won't hear the music because I'm recording this just now. But you can get a countdown. You can create your own. So I've created one kind of stream starting type thing. think you get the idea. The stream is about to start. It's like a 30-second countdown. You can play any kind of video. You just create your own and upload it. You can create your own here. If you want to change the background, you can sort of screen sharing. Just do that. Let's do screen share. This will go a little bit weird. So I'll share this screen here. It's going to go like infinity in a minute. One. So there we go, I'm now sharing the screen. If I was to click off of this recording and click on that, you would see that in this window. So now you see I'm on the left and my screen's on the right. So this is this part here. So if I just want to show me, I click on that. If I want to go back to the full screen, I go back to that. If you have two guests, or you're doing it, me and Richard, for example, we do that. So if you've added somebody else, I would be here and Richard would be here, or Richard would be above me, one of the two. Or I can have myself here and in screen. You can have multiple people, or you can have two people side by side, kind of zoomed in a little bit, or two people completely zoomed out, or just myself. So normally I go for this kind of option where I have myself here and I'm just screen sharing. So that's kind of the options here. So it's easy to invite people, it's easy to share your screen, it's easy to set up your camera and microphone, there's lots of settings in here. If I go back to just me, I can turn my display name off in case you don't like that. So you can see here it's really simple. If you have more than one or two people in a live broadcast, you can go to private chat, and you can chat with people within the stream privately. There's also some settings in here, so you can go to general. I don't think I can choose high definition now because I've not got a professional plan. That's more expensive. I've just got the 720 plan at the moment. You can go and change your camera, choose all your different cameras, change your audio. You've got echo cancellation, automatically adjust the microphone. You can have a green screen, so if you've got a green screen, go ahead and try that. Guests, you can play a sound when a guest enters. You can see the viewer comments, guests must authenticate. Yeah, there's all sorts of different options in here. I'm on the middle plan, which is $20 a month. The 1080p model, I think, is $39.99 a month in dollars. So if I want to record, I would just click record, and then I can record my video, get my MP4, edit it in any software that I want. So that's a very quick, but very, well, I've kind of showed most things within StreamYard, and that's what we use it for. So we do side by side. So myself is up here, Richard's here, and then we've got the screen sharing. And then I edit it in Camtasia, so that's how we do that. That's what this is for. Okay, so I can remove the screen, I can exit the layer, I can unmute myself. Cool. So again, banners, really easy to show and hide. Brands, really easy to change. The other thing is you can have multiple brands. So I've got a Scottish Summit brand where I had a Scottish Summit logo, Scottish Summit background if I was sharing my screen. So if I was doing that, for example, you can see the background. You can have the logo down here. So that's what I was doing from the talk. And I've also got the Cloud Family logo, where you can have the Cloud Family logo appear up here. You can have the Cloud Family thing here. Yeah. Hopefully you get the idea. And again, you can turn it all off if you want. So you can tick the display name off, untick, and then back to being just me again. Cool. So hopefully this recording works, and hopefully people get some ideas about StreamYard. Any questions, give me a shout. Thanks for now. Bye bye.